how to enable fraudulent websites warning on Safari on Mac. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want extra protection while browsing in Safari? Here's how to enable fraudulent website warning on your Mac. So, let's dive right in. Open up Safari, then click Safari menu in the menu bar. It's in the top left. And then once you tap on it, go to settings and you need to head over to the security tab, and there you can find warn when visiting a fraudulent website. So make sure that you tick it. If it is unchecked like this, then tap on it and then the feature will be enabled. And Safari can warn you before you visit websites that are suspected of phishing, scams, or other fraudulent activity, helping you stay safe online. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.